Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi, and as you must be knowing that today is our third class of this Russian week. So we were discussing about nouns. Oh God. Uh, so when I was, getting this ready for the exceptions part of the nouns, I was like, uh, again discussing nouns. I said to myself, I was like, I don't want to stuck into the rut, and let's just shake things up. And I was like, even you, I think even you want a change of pace. So I thought to bring up something else, and that's when I thought to change the topic. So today's topic is we are going to discuss about week and months. We haven't discussed about months yet. I mean, you don't know about the how to say January, February, and all that in Russian, but you know how to say the days of the week in Russian. I've taught you right in previous class. I guess last week I taught you, last Russian week, I guess. Okay. So, but you don't know which day of the week falls under the masculine, feminine, or neuter gender category. I mean, so I thought to shift the gears. We are still on the topic nouns, but sorry, still on the chapter noun, but the topic is changed. Rather than discussing about the exceptions part, I thought to discuss about this. So actually, I don't want you to burn out on this grammar part. It's just your first step in grammar. I mean, like you are just stepping into the grammar portion of Russian, and if you lose your focus, oh God, it will be a disaster. So I don't want you to do that. Okay, so let's begin our class with the days of the week. And okay, so I think I have not told you this. What is week in the translation of week in Russian? So that is ne ni деля. Неделя. Неделя is week. Okay, once again, неделя. Okay, that is how do we say week in Russian. Okay, now I'm gonna pronounce it, although I know you I have taught you this. I hope you are able to recall, but still I'll pronounce this for you and let you know under which category it falls. And I think that even you are able to determine just by seeing these words. You are able to think. I really think that you are able to determine the which gender they belong to, the words, because I've taught you in for the first part of nouns. So I have taught you the the standard rule of determining which word falls under which category, masculine, feminine, or neuter. So I have taught you the basic standard rule. Okay, so you just have to apply this and you'll able to get the answer. Okay, so let's discuss. Okay, понедельник. Понедельник, that is Monday, I mean, but the gender is masculine. Okay, so number two, that is Tuesday. Tuesday is вторник. Вторник, that is masculine. Yeah, because the standard rule says that if there's a consonant at the end, then it's a masculine gender. Okay, so now comes to Wednesday. Wednesday is Sreda is feminine because a or ya, the ending, if there's a or ya. Okay, there's nothing. Yeah. We got it. Okay, so that is a feminine word. Okay, so this is a feminine. Sreda is feminine. Okay, now comes to Thursday. That is Четверг is masculine. Okay, again the consonant is at the end of the word. Okay, now Friday is Пятница. Пятница. Friday. That is feminine. Okay. Now subota. Subota. Very easy. Subota, again feminine. A is ending. It's ending with A, I mean. Okay. So Sunday. Sunday is воскресенье. Воскресенье. That is a neuter gender ending. I have taught you this, right? So how to remind the standard rule, okay? You just have to apply this over here. Okay, so I hope it's clear and you are able to, get the fresh vibe. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic. Okay, so that is months. Okay, how do we say months in Russian? Months is месяцы. 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 Okay, once again. Месяцы. Okay, месяцы. Okay, месяцы is months in Russian. Okay, so how to see January, February, March? Okay, come on. Let's begin. Okay, so January is Yanvar. Yanvar. Once again. Yanvar. February is February. 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 L is pronounced but softly because it's ending and the soft sign is at last, so the alphabet before it is pronounced softly, okay? So this is February. February. Okay? This is January. February. Okay? So March is Mart. Mart. Okay. April is April. April. Once again. April. Okay? May is May. May. Easy. June is June. June. July is June, July, yeah. June, Yule. Okay? June is June. July is Yule. Okay? June, Yule. August is August. August. Now, how do we say September? September is September. September. October is October. October. November is November. November. December, December. December. Very easy, right? Okay, once again, let's repeat it. Okay, this is January. January. February. 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 Sorry. This is February. 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 Okay. This is March. March. April. April. May. May. June. June. Yule. Yule. August. August. September. September. October. October. November. November. December. December. Okay, so this is the months. Месяцы. Месяцы. Месяцы is months. Месяцы. Okay, месяцы. That is months in Russian. Okay, so hope I'm clear to you. And in Russian nouns part 2, that class I have told you names of months fall under which category. Okay, so whether these all are masculine, feminine, or neuter gender. You have to determine by yourself, and do let me know in the comment section. Okay, that's your homework. And one more thing I want to ask you. So, if you're gonna live if like forever, you're gonna live your life in just 1 month. If you are gonna, I mean, just 1 month you're gonna choose, and in that only you have to spend your life forever. So which month will you choose? Okay, and plus I'm really curious to know. Drop in the comment section, do write that in which month, which is your birthday month, and let's see if you can find your birthday twin. Okay, but the condition is you have to write in Russian. Okay, I mean just the month. Okay, you have to write in Russian, which is your favorite month. You can spend your entire life in that month, and I mean just that month will come and on and on and on, and your birthday month. Okay, and plus the main homework, that is to find it out, to watch that video again, part 2 of Russian nouns, and then do let me know whether you're able to determine all these, okay, months fall under which category, whether they are masculine, feminine, or neuter gender. You'll have to let me know about it, and we're surely going to discuss about this topic, because there are a lot of things left in the exceptions part. Plus I have to give examples also, because I have got the comments like I just told you that, okay, if you have to remind that this is a masculine, then I have given you the suffix 2 or 3 I have given you. So someone was like, people were asking like, is this a word, or like it's just a suffix? So I'll let you know about the words. I'll let you know the examples of those words. So there are a lot to discuss about the nouns. Okay, so this Russian topic will continue in next Russian week. Until then, до свидания, до встречи, and do write which category all these months fall, okay, into. So do let me know, okay. Okay, till then, до свидания и до встречи, bye bye.